are the ingredients for the meal. So here I have some chopped off beef. So the goal is to cut the cabbage very tiny and thin and slim, because I don't want to be chewing a lot of cabbage in my breakfast burrito. I have my bread right here, and I'm just using this seder bread, blah blah blah, and I'm just going to start plating it on here. Here's the first one. So I found that opening it like this is a better way of making this work. So this is my first meal of the day. This is the face of someone that has been cooking for hours. So I'm about to take the first bite. Guys, these are the noodles we're gonna be having. So I first put the spice inside. This is the spice. Can't open this with our hands. Guys, over here I have lunch, which is just noodles, and I'm going to have a taste of this right now. Local jollof rice. I mean, palm oil rice jollof. We're having this with some fried fish. having tangerine for snack. This tastes really bad, so I'm just going to throw it out because I don't know what's going on here. Look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe. And actually it did rain, so it was quite dark in the afternoon, so my lunch looked like dinner. But thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. I post every Sunday by 5 p.m. GMT+1, so tune in and see you next week. Bye.